Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses, model GG1094S in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are a cat eye shape. The lenses are violet. And on its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in the lens. The glasses have crystal dusted lashes for a statement finish. The temples are black and gold. The temples also have the crystals and the Gucci logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is Hollywood Forever, which inspired making these glasses, the Gucci logo in gold, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, the serial number, and the dimensions of the frame. 50 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci dust bag with the Gucci logo in gold on the dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, and a black Gucci case with the Gucci logo on the inside of the case, although color and style may vary. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.